Everyone's talking about AI that writes content, but what about AI that makes full videos for you? I'm not talking templates, I mean real cinematic videos with motion, lighting, and even voices, all generated from a simple prompt. Today, we're putting Google Veo 3 and OpenAI Sora head to head to see which AI tool truly delivers and which one is worth your money. Welcome to Baytech, where we help you save time, make money, and protect your business using smart AI, automation, and cybersecurity tools. In this video, we'll break down what Veo 3 and Sora actually do, what they cost, which one gives you more flexibility, and how to decide which is best for your content, training, or marketing strategy in 2025. Let's get started. Let's start with what each tool is built for. Google Veo 3 is Google's most advanced AI video generator, developed by DeepMind. It accepts text, images, and even rough sketches, and outputs cinematic 1080p videos, complete with voiceover, background sound, and music. OpenAI Sora also accepts text, images, and existing video clips, and produces stunning visuals. It doesn't do sound yet, but what it lacks in audio, it makes up for in built-in editing, pacing, and scene control tools. This is where the two platforms take different paths. Sora has built-in storyboarding. You can plan and preview scenes, tweak pacing, remix visuals, and control the flow all inside the interface. No external app needed. Veo 3 doesn't include editing tools by itself, but it integrates with Google Flow, a powerful AI filmmaking tool that lets you arrange clips, direct pacing, and create something close to a professional storyboard. So while both offer storyboard-like workflows, Sora's is built-in, while Veo's require using Google Flow. Now let's talk output. Veo 3 creates full audio tracks, voices, ambient sound, music, all synchronized to what's happening in the video. Sora does not generate any sound, so if you need a voiceover or sound effects, you'll need to add them manually during post-production. In terms of resolution, Veo 3 supports 1080p output. Sora offers 720p on the basic plan and 1080p on the Pro plan. Neither currently offers 4K video. Here is what these tools actually cost today. OpenAI Sora comes with ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscription. With the Plus currently being at $20 per month, you get 50 priority videos at 720p resolution up to 5 seconds and watermarked exports. With the Pro plan that is currently at $200 per month, you get 500 priority videos, 1080p resolution up to 20 seconds and no watermark, plus unlimited non-priority videos. While on the other hand, Google Veo 3 requires Google AI Ultra plan that is $250 per month currently, and you get full cinematic 1080p video with native audio. For the use cases, use Veo 3 if you 1. You want ready-to-use videos with audio already built in. 2. You need to generate content for training, marketing, or explainer videos. 3. You don't want to worry about sound design or editing. On the other hand, use Sora if you 1. You want direct control over scene timing, transitions, and pacing. 2. You already use voiceover or music editing tools. 3. You're creating silent visuals for ads, courses, or storytelling. So what's the smarter choice? If you want polished videos with sound generated from a simple prompt, Veo 3 is the tool to beat. But if you want creative control, scene-by-scene edits, and you will handle sound separately, Sora is an amazing platform, especially at just $20 per month, and it comes with your ChatGPT Plus subscription. So which one are you going to try first, Veo or Sora? Let me know in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe and follow Baytech for more simple, honest videos on how to save time, automate smarter, and use AI to grow your business the smart way.